Hour and a half later, we made it up to the mine, and we are calling this a day. There's a lot of fucking snow. Driller didn't make it. Hopefully these drillers can make it down. The buggy didn't actually make it up. It's down below the lower parking lot. Couldn't get up the hill. What?
Tyson's never put a set of chains on it.
Desert people.